Hey boys, what's going on? We're about to go to Mexico and have a good time.
Let's see, can we get this thing to focus? What time is it, bro? It is. It is. It is. It's gonna take a lot of editing to do.
It's 4:25 a.m.
Yeah.
Cuban like my chain, going to a high stage. She gon' come to my place, do whatever I say. Got a little shawty, she off of Molly, she in love with the drugs. Wanna fuck when I'm done, kick it out, no time for fun. If you talking, show me what's up, got let's echo with the drum. Now you quiet, how it's supposed to be, little nigga. You look
Vendo tempiento. Bad weather dangerous. What are you gonna say about that?
Mal tiempo peligro. Means bad weather is coming.
niggas come in a Benzo pushing buttons and it's got me on my mind. I gotta watch my weight because Alina made me slide. So dog, I got the pounds of fucking bitches off of Vine. And I know my wrist is sloppy every day. I got this.
Yo, what is going on, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new video where today we're playing Fortnite Battle Royale outside on the balcony in Mexico. Okay, let's go, Thomas.
Okay, let's go.
We got the hotel room, you hear me? We got Cranky Car, is her nickname.
Pink Molly Tom.
Where's the key?
We don't need one, we'll be in the room.
Okay.
Okay,
Breakfast
we'll
time.
see you later, yayo. Hey mates, what's going on? So just had breakfast, heading into town today. Microphone's a little bit fucked up, so we're gonna buy a new one for approximately 500 bucks.
Yeah.
Only the best of the best, and we're just heading to the room right now. We're gonna do some Pink Molly before we head into Mazatlan.
Explain what happened earlier.
Okay, so these neighbors, man, they've been talking shit, telling us to turn down the music. So these dudes wanted fucking room service today. They wanted their shit to get clean.
To be young and in love in New York City. Do not know.
Alright, so your name is Thomas?
Hey guys, I'm Thomas, and I am a professional Fortnite player.
Yep. So how is your, experience in Mexico so far?
So this is my first time in Mexico. Me and a couple of the Fortnite buddies squatted up and dropped Tilted Towers in Mexico. Honestly enjoying it pretty far. As you can see, the Tilted Towers view that we have right now is amazing. And you know what? Just loving it. Mexico has the best Pink Molly, the best Coke, as me and Riley LaPointe have found out. And honestly, just living life, enjoying it. We still have quite a few days here, and that's what's up.
Okay, so what's your plans, like, a pro Fortnite player heading into the big city that you're going to today?
Of course. So, taking a private blacked out limo today. Going to be a lot of people that know me and Riley, obviously, so we kind of need to remain low key.
Yeah.
Tons of fans. We've got a ton of support from our Mexican subscribers, fans. So I just want to say we love you guys. Thank you so much for everything you guys are doing. And it's going to be great to kind of mingle with the locals. Maybe see a couple of fans, sign a couple autographs. So,
Okay, so one last thing. As Riley stated, he went to Mexico, he hit 10,000 subscribers. How do you feel about that?
Actually, I thought it was 10 million subscribers.
Okay, 10 million?
That's what it was. He's killing it. I gotta say, my channel only has 1 million, so really kind of giving him a lot of love and support for killing it on YouTube right now. And if you guys haven't already, don't forget to smash that like button and hit that sub button for my boy RP. And then if you have time, maybe like or subscribe to me, but Riley's kind of more of a priority.
Yeah,
so.
thank you. All right, thank you for your time, Thomas Marzik. We'll see you
Take
later.
care, guys. I'm gonna go do some Pink Molly now.
So today, folks, I look like a unicorn with my hair, but we're taking off to the big city of Mexico, Mazatlan, and for 10,000 subscribers, I actually took a trip down to Mexico, and I took my family with me. Thankfully, I'm blessed enough from you guys, so I took my sister for her 21st birthday. I took Thomas for his 23rd birthday, and me for my 10,000 subscribers.
Yeah, I paid for myself.
He paid for himself though, because
Money's not an issue.
for him, but I paid for the rest of everybody. We got like, how many people did I bring, Tom? Like 7? I brought 7 people, family-wise, to come to Mexico, but you guys were all wondering what I was doing for 10,000 subscribers. I was coming to Mexico, I already told you guys, but that was the whole plan, was to come for 10K. Alright, so we're back on a brand new interview. Hey everyone. Okay. So, how was the truck ride here?
Really good. Ran into a few cops. They pulled us over and asked for our autographs, which is pretty sweet. Having a few brewski foos.
So, walking around with a famous person, how is it?
It's amazing. So me and Art Riley, I think we've signed probably around what, 200 autographs today, you figure?
Yep.
Probably about 200, but we're kind of covering our faces not to kind of hide our identity.
Exactly.
We just kind of want to be able to do what we want to do. Absolutely.
We asked for the Gucci store. I heard Riley asked for the Gucci store, and what was the answer from the guy?
Gucci store, they said...
they don't know what it is.
Bubbles. Oh, cute. American wax. Stop touching me.
I didn't touch you. Carly's.
Stop you. Stop it. Oh my god.
But actually, this is a close second. This is actually pretty neat.
Look at this Volkswagen.
That's sick. Maybe we'll do that with your car.
Yeah.
Yeah, no kidding. Now I'm back in my room. It is 4 p.m. It's been a long day. I'm super sunburned, as you probably could tell. I don't know. It's been a good trip so far. I did a little bit of filming. It's on my Instagram. I'll throw all the clips together and, you know, make a full vlog. I'll throw the first day in, and then we're gonna log the 3rd or 4th day already. But I hope you guys did enjoy watching this video. It's kind of like, there's not too much to film when you're on a resort. Like, that's the problem. Like, when I went to Cabo, there was a little bit. I got like a vlog or 2 out of it. We're not going on any excursions or doing anything special. So we just went to the city today, and I you know, went exploring. So I got some clips of that, and then some vlog footage from this morning, and then some of it around this resort. But I showed you guys my room already. I could show you guys one more time if you guys want to see. It's the same as last year in Cabo. Door, 2 sinks in the bathroom, a fridge, bunch of liquor. You got 2 beds, a 3rd bed, huge mirror. Like, this is how burned I am. My legs are burnt, my stomach's burnt, my face is burnt, my arms are burnt. Spent the whole day yesterday. I took the day off of filming and everything, and, you know, kind of just went out and enjoyed myself. Got the huge resort. We got 5 pools, 4 restaurants, swim up bars, you name it, it's here. But yeah, I took the day off yesterday, and I just decided, no, I'm not gonna. I was supposed to film all day yesterday, and then I didn't, and I'm like, yeah, I'll just do it today because we're going to town. And then I got sick when we went to town, but I'm feeling a lot better now, and I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna go swimming, but first I'm gonna edit this video and upload it. So I hope you guys did enjoy watching this video. I did this for 10K, so I hope you guys did enjoy it. Maybe I'll shave my head when I get home for 10K also. But I'm gonna go get braids tomorrow, my hair dreads, whatever. And yeah, I don't know. Thank you guys so much for 10K. I don't know if I really made I did make a video actually. But yeah, I'm in Mexico. I'm loving it. I'm burnt as hell. Super tired though. And yeah, there's not too much to vlog though. Like I said, in Cabo, there wasn't too much to vlog. It's just a resort. But anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, make sure to drop a thumbs up on it, comment, and we'll be back to uploading like Fortnite videos, videos, and like sledding videos when I get back home. I get back home Friday, so by Sunday there'll be another video up. But I'm probably gonna upload one more video on the resort, probably vlog again tomorrow, and then that'll be it. So thank you guys again. Make sure you guys do subscribe. Thank you so much for 10K as always, and peace out, guys.